Let's make some easy biscuits and gravy. Now let me say right out, these are not like the classic Texas kind. This is a version that you can make in about 15 minutes. If you want the classic kind, then Cowboy Kent Rollins is the person to go to.
Praise the Lord. Pass the biscuits, and Lord, while you got them there, would you smooth some of that gravy over the top of mine? Because you're so good. I'll run to the table every day for some of that eating, folks.
Well, my recipe isn't going to crash the gravy train. It's just going to be a little faster. I'm going to make some easy biscuits and gravy. But instead of making homemade biscuits, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use the freezer biscuits. You can make your own biscuits, but of course this is easier. Biscuits do you think we need? So for 2 of us, I think we can make 8 biscuits and have some leftovers. It's 26 minutes, I think. Hey Mike, what's your trick to making biscuits and gravy? Sausage. So some people, when they make gravy, they just kind of estimate the flour and the milk, and then there's actually a recipe that can be used to make it easier. So it's just basically sausage, flour, salt, and milk. You actually want the sausage to have some fat in it. The fat makes the gravy come together better. This sausage actually doesn't have that much fat in it, really. So I just kind of crush up the pieces into small bits. That's good enough. We want some of them kind of chunky. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of flour. And then turn the heat down a little bit so we can just kind of stir this in. And I'm going to add about 2½ cups of milk. So we let this thicken at a medium heat. We need to add a pinch of salt. Alright, it's starting to thicken up a bit. It needs some pepper. Looks done to me. So now take some hot, steamy biscuits, and you can cut them in half or just leave them whole, or just crumble them into small pieces. I know a guy who's really particular about how he puts the biscuits on the plate. And then you just put the hot gravy on top of the biscuit and enjoy. It is absolutely delicious. Super easy biscuits and gravy that tastes a lot like the old-fashioned kind. Except you're done in a jiffy. And some people add a little bacon fat to the sausage, which kind of amps it up a notch. Anyway, thanks for watching.